My name's Chloe Hylton. I'm the Operational Surveying Director for HORDE Limited. What I can say was that when I did join the business and Southern Solutions were already there, I straight away, it was very noticeably a much better service than I'd experienced in previous firms and businesses that I'd worked in, especially in corporate world as well, where there's quite big IT big IT teams, and they can be quite faceless, whereas Southern Solutions, they just seem like actual real people who were there and wanted to help, and it didn't seem like too much of a trauma to them like it does sometimes when you call IT and they seem a little bit put out that you're actually asking them for help, and you just don't get that with Southern Solutions. I then started having to think about what our needs were going to be strategically for the future for the business, and Southern Solutions very much acted as a partnership in that, and I could go to them with a blue sky, random, very untechy idea, which they would very much go, okay, we'll translate it from basic non-tech speak into, well, this is what you mean, this is what we can do, and they would be very much a partner in helping us to achieve what we wanted to for our strategy. What they do differently for me is that they are people with personalities, and you get that through from them when you speak to them and when you deal with them and when you do projects with them, that they are a real person, and they have their kind of quirks and the things that you talk about, and they're just very personable. So that's something that's quite new to me when dealing with kind of some historic IT companies. I've just referred a business in to Southern Solutions and my reasoning and rationale for that was, you just don't meet an IT company who are so lovely and supportive with no staff turnover. So you have a continuity and consistency with the people that you're dealing with. You build up that trust with them, and they're always on the end of the phone, really quick to respond, and they don't just kind of shell peas with just dealing with a response. They will think about the bigger picture and think of things holistically. They really learn your business and understand what you're trying to do and what you're trying to achieve. So it's not just answering a question, sorting out a problem. It's the whole package for you of what you need now and other considerations that you need to think about.